Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. Today we are going to learn the Suzy Q, and that is going to be the last step or shine that we are going to learn in this series. The Suzy Q is one of the most important steps of Salsa Solo, so let's go and have a look. Let's do the Suzy Q together. On 1, we're going to cross our right foot over our left foot. Then on 2, we're going to place our left foot behind our right foot. And then on 3, we're going to cross our right foot over our left foot again. And now we're going to do the same to the other side. So on 5, we're going to cross our left foot over our right foot. On 6, we're going to place our right foot behind our left foot. And on 7, we're going to cross our left foot over our right foot again. Now, let's repeat that. We have right cross, left behind, right cross. Left cross, right behind, left cross. In the Suzy Q, you're using counts 4 and 8 to change direction, so to pivot. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you want to continue, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Just like last week with the tap, tap, step, we're going to twist our hips for this step. So every time we cross, we twist our hips in, and every time we step behind, we twist our hips back. So what you get then is twist in, twist back, twist in. Twist in, twist back, twist in. So you see, when I twist my hips, I don't really have to step with my whole leg, because my hips make sure that my foot ends up in the right place. Twist, 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 twist. I can almost just keep my knees together. Now your upper body can be at a slight angle, but it doesn't twist with your hips. So try to keep your upper body still. It's hip, 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 hip. You might have also noticed that I don't completely roll down my feet, especially the back foot. I keep the heel a little bit lifted. And lastly, as is important always, keep your knees relaxed and stay on the balls of your feet. Now let's practice this a few times without music. From a basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q. 6, 7. Cross behind cross. Cross behind cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q. 6, 7. Cross behind cross. Cross behind cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And now let's practice this to music. Basic step, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, Suzy Q, and 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, Suzy Q, 1, 5, 1, Suzy Q, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, Suzy Q, and Suzy Q, Suzy Q, and 5, 6, 7. Just like we did last week with the tap tap step, where we drop down on 2 and 6, we can also spice up the Suzy Q by dropping down and playing with our height. Let's try dropping down on 3 and 7. Okay, try it with me. From a basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q with a drop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q with a drop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Another thing you can try is to lift up your knee on counts 4 and 8. So when you pivot. So then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that together as well. From a basic step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q, lift your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q, lift your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Since this is the last video of this series, I wanted to repeat one step from every video we've done, so that amounts to 8 cues. And I'm not counting the basic step, because we're going to return to the basic step after each shine or step, unless another cue is given. So, for today we have 8 cues. We have the Suzy Q, the tap tap step, we have half right, half left, we have the left turn, we have the right turn, the side step, the front step, and in place. Alright, let's go. Starting with our basic step. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Q, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, tap tap step, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, half right, half left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1, left turn. 1, 5. 1, right turn. 1, 5. 1, side step. 1, 5. 1, front step. 1, 5. 1, in place. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, front step. 1, 5. 1, right turn. 1, half right, half left. 1, 5. 1, front step. 1, 5. 1, Suzy Q. 1, in place. 1, 5. 1, side step. 1, left turn. 1, 5. 1, tap tap step. 1, 5. 1, right turn. 1, left turn. 1, side step, 1, 5, 1, half right, 1, 5, 1, tap tap step, 1, in place, 1, Suzy Q, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, side step, 1, 5, 1, half right, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, tap tap step, 1, 5, 1, in place, 1, right turn, 1, left turn, 1, Suzy Q, 1, 5, 1, front step, 1, left turn, 1, tap tap step, 1, 5, 1, Suzy Q, 1, 5, 1, front step, 1, side step, well done guys. Alright guys, that's it for today. Next week we're going to do one more choreo to combine everything we've learned, and that will mark the end of this series. After that I will start posting different things, still all salsa or at least dance related. So if you have any requests, post them in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me in this series. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned something, and now let's finish off strong with another choreo. So I will catch you next week for that video. Bye!